Now I want you to concentrate over here. This is one of the most important part to visualize the data. Okay, so please make sure you are concentrating over here. 33 and let's say it is 49. Okay, so these are the numbers. So when I run the code, one more thing. So there are two ways you can plot this. You can write it twice. plt.plot, you can write it twice. Okay, or one more option you have, you can just put it over here, x2 comma y2. See what happens when you write x2 comma y2 and run the code. Okay, you can see there are two graphs generated here. Okay, one for x1, one for x2. Okay, one for x1, x2. Okay, this is clear, everyone. Okay, now if you want to see the points, markers, you're not exactly able to see ना कौन सा point mark किया है, मतलब ये point है कहाँ exactly, वो point नहीं दिख रहा है. So what you can do, ठीक है, I hope everybody is listening up. Please make sure you're listening. Please don't do anything else. ठीक है, so what I can do is I can give a point, three things. First, I can give a pointer. Let's say I'm giving it as O. O meaning it's a point. Okay, then I have to give the line type. So line type solid line, I will give a hyphen, and I have to give the color. So I can skip the color also. So if I skip the color, so it will automatically take the color. If you want a specific color, you can give the color also. Okay, so I will run the code. Okay, you can see it has given the points. Now again, as you can see, it is only giving it for a single one. Okay, only for x1, y1. So I need to write it once again for the other one. Okay, so when I run it, okay, wait. I have to give it inside is only. Let's see if it works like this. Now, seeing an error. Okay. Giving for one, for both it is not giving. Okay. So we'll try with putting it before it. Let's see. Because ये देखो ये second वाले के लिए आया है, first वाले के लिए नहीं. तो शायद पहला डालने से वो आ जाए. ठीक है. So let's see if we put over here, it should. I believe it should come. Let's see. हाँ, ठीक है. ठीक है. So all you have to keep it together. x1, y1 और उसका markers कैसे, x2, y2 और उसके markers कैसे. ठीक है. So then you will get the idea. Now see one more thing. Here you can put the color also. Let's say if I put G, that will take it as green. R, it will take it as red. So there are three things you can give. One is a pointer. ठीक है, ये देखो colors भी change हो गए. So one इधर code अगर मैं ये करूँ, तो basically this is marker. ठीक है, वो marker का size क्या होगा? ठीक है, this is type of line. You can change it also. Let's say I will red line को मैं dotted line बनाना है, तो I will put colon. Okay, so if I put colon, it will take it as a dotted line. So when I run the code once again, you can see it has become a dotted line. Okay, so you have multiple options. So see, this will be together and this will be together. Okay, so as you can see, this will be together and it will plot x1, y1 with this particular settings of the lines and marker. And marker, I hope you understood ना, this point, ये जो mark किया हुआ point है, जो उसको मैं plot कर रहा हूँ. Okay, you can see the point. Is this clear?